Metals today traded bearish as expected and predicted. Now gold has come towards the next support zone at 32.6870. Can we say now gold is turning bearish? Can we expect a round of drop here which is going to take it below the 3240 or 3200 levels? Or the lows are done, as we have seen it recovering in the last couple of drops towards 3260, 3265, 67. We have seen it bouncing back sharp. Can we expect a recovery here? Likewise with silver traded bearish, hit the lows now at 3220. So what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis and logical levels. Earlier in the day, I have given you a call to sell at 3204 and expect it to move towards 3280, 3268.70, and in fact lower levels are also there. So do subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications for both the updates. Do like, share, and comment if you appreciate the effort. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. That's always a great support from you all if you become a channel member here. And yes, you can also contribute by sharing the super thanks. With that, let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. Now, see gold on the hourly charts. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned, see, it is delivering lower highs, and this is a box in which it is trading. This is a squeeze out here. Now it has come down to the next support zone at 3268.70. We have seen earlier 3268.70 offering a very good support. You can see this. This is the fourth attempt by gold to trade below 3270 zone. Though in fact 3280 was also a very good support. Now 3270 is definitely a good support. And in fact, even if it trades below this, we have to wait for it to break below these lows, that is at 3260 levels. Yes, once it trades below 3260, remember it is coming out of this squeeze and it is gonna dip fast, dip sharp. But right now I can see a support coming in at around 3268.70, which is indeed a very good support. Now notice how it has behaved. See, after the drop, sideways movement, and then this sharp drop has appeared, and now I'll wait for it to trade below 3268 levels. 3268, once it drops below, we can expect it to move towards 3260, the most critical support here for the day. Notice it is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence a little pullback can be expected. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. The stochastic oversold here. The MACD is also bearish. The RSI is oversold. Things are getting oversold on the smaller time frame, that is 1 hour chart. Now look at the 2 hour chart. See, my only worry point here is the support it is getting here and the bounce back it shows from these levels. This is an important part for me because see, if it bounces back from here, it can recover sharp. However, when you see this, I've shared this, that it is delivering lower highs, and this suggests that on the upside the resistance is pretty strong. And now if you draw a curve here like this, the drop, then this, and now once it drops below 3260, it is going to deliver a massive move here. Possibly we are looking at 3250, that is also one of the supports, then 32 3640, then 3218, and in fact 3200 levels. Be mindful, such a drop is awaited yet, and once it comes out of this consolidation, it is going to deliver the same. Stochastic oversold, the MACD crossed over trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, drop, sideways movement. Again, a bigger candle has appeared and it has come down to the support zone here. It has to come out of it. And now once it trades below 3268.70 zone, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Specifically below 3260, it is not going to come back on the upside. We will look forward to further downside here. This is the consolidation zone where it would like to land today. If it breaks here, it is going to trend directly towards this zone, which is at 3240 zone. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossed over trading with divergence in bearishness, RSI comfortable, and on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, drop, sideways movement, drop, and it is trying to recover here. Now only question is how high it can recover towards. Now on the upside, it is very important for gold to break beyond 33.20.22 zone. That is the only level which will confirm the reversal here. As long as 33.20.22 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. That is pretty. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD has crossed over trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, first of all, this is what we had discussed, the drop here, the swing here, and now see lower highs. It appears to be creating a fall here, and now once it breaks out, once it comes out of this zone, it is going to deliver a massive move. The move like this can be expected here, and hence this might take it further low. Now 3260, 3240, 36, and then 32 18, 20, 30, 200 could be the zone which might try to target, it might try to achieve. Now see, this my only worry point is the support it is going to get here at around 32, 60, 70 level. See, first, second, third attempt, three attempts it is already made to break below 3260. What has happened so far, we were seeing higher lows. This time what it did, it has formed a breakout, it has tried to deliver a breakout, but yes, as in how it breaches this low, these lows and these lows, the bearishness will increase. Now 3260 is also the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands, and hence you have to be watchful of the stock. I stay comfortable. The MACD has crossed over here. This is also what we talked about. See, it is trading with divergence. This calls for it to continue with the bearish side, continue on the sell side, and from here it is only going to diverge more. This crossover is coming at a higher levels. This might continue here for a while, at least for next few sessions. Gold might stay in the sell zone, and for this to happen, it is very important for gold to break below the support levels here, because once it trades below 3200, the next zone is going to be towards 3150, 40, and then below that 3100 should appear very soon. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 32nd mentorship batch. The 32nd batch starts on 5th of May. The mentorship batch is, we are restarting after a little break, and thus do not miss this opportunity. Gain from the learnings and insights we have acquired over the years, and thus join the batch and cherish your learning, implement it, and enjoy the profitable trades. Reach out to me for your queries for the mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your query. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where you should buy. See, ideally now 3290 should be the first and a very good entry point for us, which can confirm the next target towards 3300, 3310 zone. But I'll say those who want to jump in a little early, you can jump in at around 3282 levels, but then 3286, 3290, 92. These are the two levels you should watch out for. Only and only if it trades beyond 3290, 92, stay bullish for 3300. 3300, which was the support for last couple of days, is going to be a good resistance now. And now once it trades beyond 3300, you can expect it to move towards 33,810. See, earlier the support, now going to be the resistance. So 33,810 was the good support earlier. This should be the resistance, the next target zone. Beyond this, 33,18 levels will come into picture, 33,18, 20. And if at all gold trades beyond 33,18, 20, stay bullish for 33,30, 33,40 zone, which I think is going to remain difficult target for gold for the day. On the sell side, we have already discussed the levels. Sell at 32.68, expected to move towards 32.60, and if it trades below 32.60, 58, stay short for 32.50, 32, 36.40, and if that is taken, then 32.18 and 3200 levels will appear as the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Now let's move towards silver. Now see, silver likewise, what did we discuss earlier? See the drop, retracement, and now once it comes out, once it trades below 32.80, we are looking forward to a massive drop. Specifically below 32.40, we are looking forward to a move towards 32.20 and 3200 levels. What it did, it has already moved towards 32.20 levels, the next support zone here. And now once it trades below 32, we are ready for another round of drop. Remember, it can trade below 32. It might possibly move towards 31.50, 31.40 zone. Let's watch out. The stochastic is oversold here though, but the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI has come towards an oversold zone. So on the hourly charts, it is getting into an oversold territory, which calls for it to show a pullback. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. The crossover here is important. The drop, the retracement, and now the breakout here. This is on the sell side. And now we have come towards the next critical zone here at 32. Earlier, we have discussed why this is important for silver to break below 32. This is the third attempt by silver to break below this, and once it comes out of this, possibly it is going to land at 3140, 3150, or in fact 3050 levels very soon. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI oversold here. And on the 3-hour charts, when you see on the 3-hour charts, notice bearish candle, moving average is crossing over here, certainly a bearish sign. And now till $33 levels, do not treat silver as bullish. Very clear, 33, 32, 320 is going to be the milestone here. Notice what it is also doing here is lower highs, lower lows. Very important for silver to trade below 32 in order to confirm reversal. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. On the 4-hour chart, see, this is what we discussed, the drop here, and see it is formed a cusp, and now once it comes out below 32, I think we are looking forward to a greater down move here, where it is going. See, the landscape is vacant here, and where it is going to land 30. And in fact, one more thing which we discussed here is, see, the this and this. Where are the lows here? All the way below 28. So now today is the day when it has to decide the direction it wants to take, and possibly a move below 32 and 31.40.50 will confirm a greater correction in silver prices here. Be watchful here. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI at bottom. Coming to daily. Now, before we move to daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30-second mentorship batch. Connect with me for your queries. Join the signals channel if you just want to trade as per the signals. And for your queries, you can write an email or ping me or telegram. And those who are looking forward to a broker, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now notice this, and on the daily charts also similar formation here. See this lower highs, lower lows, so it could continue here. Now after the drop, it has retraced, hitting the peak. It is trying to reverse. 32 is definitely a good support, and in fact below that 31.75 you should watch out for. 31.40.50 should watch out for. Below 31.40.50 we are landing at 31 right now. I think it is going to offer a greater support here at 32. In fact, let's include 31.75 as well. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is trying to cross over for sell, RSI looking down. So looking at this, see, one thing is pretty clear, at least till towards 33 is not taken. You should not be treating silver as bullish. Very clear. Though you can buy here at 32, 50-60 zone, but I think it is going to be riskier on the upside. Rather, the call is towards sell on rise. However, if you see it is staying above 32.60 possibly. In fact, you can buy at 32.40, but then be careful at 32.50, 32.60, 32.80, and then 33. And once it trades beyond 33, the bulls will take over. You can expect 33.20, and beyond that is stay bullish for 33.50. But it requires a greater effort on the upside for it to deliver a move towards 33.50, and I think it is highly impossible for silver now to achieve 33.50 today. On the downside, you can take a sell here at 33.10, 32.10, expected to move towards 31.80, 31.70 levels, the first support zone, 31.40, 31.50 the next, and below this stay short for 31. Yes, we have seen silver delivering massive moves in the recent past. It could deliver a massive move again today, but I think going to be very, very difficult. This 31-32 zone is something you should watch out for. This is definitely going to be a hurdle for silver. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.